Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful, mirror speaking practice.
Yes, this is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking at home, and you don't need anyone else, just you and a mirror.
Some people think they need a partner to practice speaking, but that's not true. You can practice by yourself, and mirror practice is perfect for that.
So, what is mirror practice?
It means you stand in front of a mirror and speak English to yourself. You can talk about anything, your day, your plans, or even practice some English sentences or topics.
The great thing is that you can see yourself while you speak. This helps you check your mouth movements, your facial expressions, and your body language.
Let's talk about the steps. How can someone start mirror practice?
Sure. Step 1. Find a mirror. It can be a bathroom mirror, a small one on your table, or even a full-size mirror.
Step 2. Stand or sit comfortably in front of the mirror, look at your face, smile, feel relaxed.
Step 3. Choose a topic. For beginners, start with something easy like my morning routine, my favorite food, or my weekend plan.
For example, say, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, I take a shower, then I make breakfast. Speak slowly and clearly.
As you speak, look at your mouth and lips. Are you saying the words clearly? Try to notice if you are mumbling or speaking too fast.
Step 4. Focus on your pronunciation. If a word is difficult, repeat it a few times. You can even write the word down and check how to say it on your phone.
Step 5. Watch your expression. Smile sometimes. Use hand movements. This helps you sound more natural and confident.
Also, try to feel the words. For example, if you're talking about something exciting, show excitement on your face. If you're talking about something serious, change your tone.
Many learners feel shy or silly at first, but don't worry, it's just you and the mirror. No one is watching. Be brave.
You can also record yourself while doing mirror practice. Use your phone to make a short video or audio, then listen and see how you sound.
When you listen, don't be too hard on yourself. Just notice small things. Maybe you can speak a little slower or use more natural intonation.
Now let's talk about time. How long should someone do mirror practice every day?
Start with just 5 to 10 minutes. That's enough to build confidence. If you enjoy it, you can go longer, maybe 15 or 20 minutes.
And you can do it anytime, in the morning, before work, after dinner, or before bed. It's quick, easy, and free.
Here's a tip. Choose one topic for the whole week. For example, this week, talk about food. Next week, talk about travel. That way, you get better vocabulary.
Also, try different styles: casual talk, formal speaking, interview style, storytelling. It keeps your practice fun and fresh.
Let's give a quick demo. Imagine I'm in front of the mirror. I say, "Hello, my name is Sarah. Today is Monday. I feel great. I have many things to do, but I will stay positive." That's it. Simple and short.
That's a perfect example. And remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to practice, speak out loud, and feel comfortable in English.
Exactly. So don't worry about mistakes. Don't wait for the right moment. Just start. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
All right, friends, try mirror speaking today. Stand in front of your mirror and talk. Your future self will thank you.
Yes, your English will improve, your confidence will grow, and you'll feel more ready to speak with others.
That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't give up.
See you next time. Bye.